We've been waiting for a long time. Yes, we've been waiting for a long, long time. We've been waiting for a long time. But we ain't gonna wait no more. We're getting ready to rock and roll. We're gonna 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3.
Nowhere but Long Island is specialty motoring as great as it is. Right here. And it's all thanks to you guys and all the passion you put into your cars. So let's hear it for yourselves. Big hand.
All right.
Yes. You guys make this a reality.
So you can party to some stomp down, but bump and rock and roll, rhythm and blues. 'Cause the boys are back in town. The boys are back in town. Oh yeah.
The industry has recognized us. I'm very proud of this award. I'm going to bring it out again. I'm going to bring out my brother Roger. The industry voted Automat a few years ago #1 in the industry. So right now I would like to bring out the founder of Automat, Eric Browner. So right now, I'd like to bring out my friend Chuck Zito. Yeah. So let's hear it for the Automat staff right now. A big hand for all these gentlemen right here. Put their lives on the line for all of us. So right now, let's hear it for the Automat girl. Each of you guys becomes the director of your photo shoot. You get to pose the girls with yourself and your car. So enjoy the day, everybody. And again, thank you for coming.
Dress to the club, tryna dance up on me. I told you not to push that thing on me. If you know I want it, that's gonna get you in trouble. It's gonna get you in trouble. It's gonna get you in trouble. They gon' 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 get you in trouble. You go up to my room, you've been such a bad girl. You know what you're doing, baby. Go up to my room. Such a bad girl. Such a sexy